Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Manuel. I'm here with my cousin here, Gabriel. And today I thought since 2017 is ending and the trends are ending, so we should make a slime because why not? So we went to Target and got the Karina Garcia Craft City slime kit. I don't know, instead of just buying glue and doing it with laundry detergent, we bought this whole kit. So I don't know what we're doing. This is gonna be a fail probably. So what we have here is water gel, glow powder, color tablets, and glitter. Also we have clear slime go. I don't know what that is, or what is it for. Then we have white glue and this. I think we're gonna transfer it to here because I think this is too small. Then we have the slime activator and the thing to stir it, I think. So
do you have a teaspoon though?
Alright, so to keep the whole fun thingy going, we have this measuring cups, every single color of the rainbow. Yeah. So you need to fill it with one.
Of water. You don't have water here.
So we need a tablespoon of water.
So like slime introduction says a tablespoon of water.
Alright.
And pour that into the cup. Stir glue and water thoroughly. So we have like, is it
how much?
Is it the whole glue?
If you know about how to make slime, let us know in the comments down below if it's the whole thing or is it just like half of it.
I don't think it'll make sense to put in the comments since we already did it, but it's okay.
For part 2, if you guys like this,
just put it. Should we stir it now? Stir it. Stir glue and water thoroughly. So I can read. Okay, next.
What's next?
Now it's time for the slime activator solution. Measure
slime activator solution.
So you have to measure 2 tablespoons.
The 2?
Yes.
2 tablespoons
2
of
tablespoons.
Slime activator.
Of the slime activator.
Double up.
So maybe it could be the whole thing, right? Okay, so it's the whole freaking thing. Why don't you just like say like pour the friggin'?
Don't curse, I'm gonna get demonetized.
Didn't curse, I said freaking.
That's cursing. Alright, and then we stir it, I think, because this is slime activator.
So, ooh, look, it's forming already.
That looks
so
nasty.
I think it needs more glue though.
Put the whole thing in it.
Hey, don't curse. You'll get demonetized.
Maybe demonetized. I think we need more activators since we put the whole thing in.
This is working great. It's just like making eggs.
Scrambled eggs in the morning.
Don't eat them.
Put the whole thing in it.
Yeah, okay, that's that probably is a bad. Yeah. Stir it.
It's getting slim thick, huh? For how long?
You need to stir it for 5 minutes.
No way!
Until you think the slime has reached maximum gooiness. And I'm not making that up, that is exactly what it says on the instructions.
That looks like gooiness.
Maximum gooiness, my friend. Once you mix everything together,
She was so creative while creating
take
this.
a look. Now you have slime. Okay, so
that's it. And what's this for?
Make it glow, make it sparkle.
What's this for?
What is this?
Clear slime.
I think. What the?
Wait.
Oh, it's just nasty, man. I don't think that's reached its maximum gooiness. I think it needs to be more gooey. Look, so we can make it glow, we can make it sparkle, make it extra gooey, we can make it colorful, we can make it pop, and we can make bubbles.
Alright.
So good. So like to glow,
It's already
I think it's the glow powder to glow. I think I'm just like.
Are we gonna make it glow?
Or we can make it sparkle. We can make it extra gooey.
Extra gooey. We need more gooiness to this.
To make.
What do we need?
Measure 1.5 tablespoons of water gel powder. Oh, it's actually a thing. Okay, and
A tablespoon?
half a tablespoon. Then measure 4 tablespoons of water.
Does that have to?
Mix them together with a spoon. The powder turns into water. It gets. I don't understand this.
This is like 3 years and up, and
Yeah.
we're having so
I'm
much struggle. We're struggling so much.
This is so bad.
Look at that. Look at that. That's not for me. This is a rip off.
Okay, so
Probably with it wrong.
we can make the glow, because making it glow is just adding the glow powder.
So
Or we can make it more gooey and then make it glow.
that's that. Since you know what, we're not gonna use this ever again. Let's mix all this into together.
Yeah, we're gonna mix it all together, but like, let's not be dumb about it and make steps.
All right. So now we're gonna add the water gel.
The water gel, so 1.5 cup.
See? Pure slime goo.
What is that for? Like, it didn't say to open.
It doesn't talk about goo.
And
Add it just
yeah, sure. Make it good.
Oh, look. Look at this. Oh, it's heating in.
Oh, just hold it. Oh, this is too gooey.
That's too liquidy.
Yeah.
I
I think we need to stir it for a long time.
see through.
Wait, stop. I promise you, this is gel water.
Apparently. Because gel water is a thing.
Nothing more than gel water.
I think this is the serio. Esta pasa serio.
You just damaged the whole slime thing.
I think I just
Okay.
wait, let's do it again. Water.
Is there glue there?
Yeah.
Man. There we go. There's no activator. 5 drops of activator. Yeah. Sure.
It's gonna make a difference.
That's gonna help.
Such a difference. Alright. So let's
I have an idea. You have the glitter now.
So what about the glow powder?
Oh, the glow powder is more important. Yeah, glitter sucks. So to I think you just add the whole thing. I imagine. I'm not gonna read anymore.
What's this for?
I think you just add like.
No see-through.
I think you just add glue to that and it makes like clear slime. Could be.
And let's add glitter. It's kind of warm.
I think like we did this all wrong.
But
Because I think we had to put this first,
I didn't see anything.
then the glue.
No, because at the beginning, you know, when water and glue mixed
Yeah, I know,
together,
but-
they made that the little thingy. You know what I'm gonna add? I'm gonna add laundry detergent to make it fluffy.
This is not working. Oh yeah, that's not gonna work at all. Oh, it's working, man.
It's working. Getting. Yeah, it's working. It's working. This is getting all over. All right.
We're like
It's like fluffy slime with.
7th month. Like,
It smells like laundry detergent.
because you just added a bunch.
Yeah, but like all the way. Yes. I think it's working. It's getting out the edges.
So, what is the color tablets for? That's a dumb
pick
question. I know it's a dumb question. I know it's a dumb question.
You dumb.
But why?
Alright, so let's take it. Oh my god.
Oh, that's just nasty, man. Get up. Oh, I'm not touching that. I'm not touching that. Oh, yeah, that's bad. I'm not touching that.
Alright, so I don't know if this is working. If it's not, it's a fail. Probably it's a fail because it's not swarming. It's supposed to get out the edges like real quick. And I've been stirring for more than 5 minutes. So
I mean, that's just like, put it back, man.
it's supposed to be. What the actual fuck?
You could do one.
I'll cut this out of. Wee.
There we go. That makes so much sense.
First of all, I destroyed my house and my table, and this was a waste of money because the rules weren't clear enough. So, this was a fail. It didn't work for me. Probably worked for other people.
I don't think that's working, man.
Look at this. I don't know what we did wrong. I want Karina to watch this and tell me what I did wrong. Alright guys, as you already see it was a fail, or I don't know how to make slime, so if I fail, like if I did something wrong, any step, then just let me know in the comments down below, and maybe I do a part 2, I don't know, maybe. But yeah, that's all for today's video, and with that being said, I see you next week. Bye.